I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is Formidable Forms. Select a form. Click Next. Now here search and select Omnisend. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key, please visit Omnisend API console. Now click on Create API key. Give a meaningful name as you want. Then scroll down and click on Save. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose Channels. Choose Email Status. Now map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Omnisend. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now let's go to the Omnisend. Here is the data that came into Omnisend through the integration. Thanks for watching.